Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open an Acura MDX hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside your vehicle. It's usually on the driver's side, down by your left foot near the kick panel. You'll see a small handle, often black or red, with an icon of a car and an open hood. Pull this lever firmly towards you to release the primary latch. After pulling the interior lever, head to the front of your Acura MDX. The hood will be slightly ajar. Carefully reach your hand into the gap just above the grille and feel for a secondary safety latch. This is a small lever or tab that prevents the hood from flying open accidentally. Push it to the side or lift it up to fully disengage the hood. Once the safety latch is disengaged, you can now lift the hood all the way up. It might be a bit heavy, so use both hands if needed. Look for the prop rod, which is typically clipped to the underside of the hood or along the side of the engine bay. Carefully remove it from its clip and insert the end into the designated hole on the engine bay to hold the hood securely open. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod and secure it back in its clip. Then, gently lower the hood until it's about 12 inches above the closed position. Don't just drop it from a great height. For a fresh car interior, check out the link in the description for little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Finally, press down firmly on the hood with both hands, ensuring both latches engage and it's fully secured before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.